case namhlanje, the interchanging of positions between Moremi, Apolis, Tito, even Umahopa sometimes was confusing Ipologwane says, because they didn't know how to track these players, because they continue interchanging a position, but they do it they do it so brilliantly, and it was synced perfectly that it hard to actually detect where my weaknesses lying at corner, because the way they circulate the ball, the way they interchanging this position, whoever is on the 10 position, whether Kungaba Tito or Ngaba Apolis, they give you dynamic final, because all the time when Mtajela joins in to actually support. So Utito moving away to the side, sometimes it would drag away with number 6 and one of the central defenders, which created the space there. And equally Pirate, it's one of those moves of Tito, moving moving without the ball. I'm a movement without the ball. At Tito.